How to connect the Redmi Buds 4 Active with a Poco X6 Pro phone or any other Poco phones with Hyper OS Android 14, and let's get started. So first things first, make sure the Redmi Buds 4 have battery life in them. Make sure they are not connected to another device, and let's go ahead and get started with the pairing mode. Okay, so on your Poco phone here, basically you want to go ahead and use the quick panel access to get access to the Bluetooth settings. So go ahead and do that here. Look for the Bluetooth toggle and long press it. I want you to long press it, and then you'll see more settings here. This will give you a better view mode of what's going on if it's your first time pairing this up. Okay, so turn on the Bluetooth settings here, and it's going to be searching for a while here. And now with your Redmi Buds 4 Active, make sure they're both in the case. And as you open it up, you're simply going to wait for these two lights here that's going to light up in a moment to start blinking like this here. This means they're now in a pairing mode state, and leave the case lid open like this here, and you're going to look for it on your device now. Okay, so you can tap right on this icon here for it to continue searching again. You're going to get this prompt here. If you have the global version with the actual Play Store, you'll most likely get this prompt right here. Okay, and just press connect, and it's going to load up the Redmi Buds 4 Active. It's going to say connecting, and it's going to tell you it's connected. You can press done, and you will now have it all set up, okay, for you. You can also tap right here on this arrow here and take it to some more settings to enable it for calls and media and all that stuff, okay? So once you're done with all that here, and let's just say you close it out like that here, and when you pop it open again a second time, they will automatically reconnect. And it's a pretty cool set of earbuds for under $30. And it's going to show you right here that little notification here telling you the percentage, because they're both Xiaomi devices, and pretty cool stuff. So like and sub.